morning, children. In our last video, we learned how to read bar graphs. In this video, we are going to learn how to read a line graph. Now, what is a line graph? This I am going to explain when we see our book, and simultaneously I will explain it to you. With the help of the line graph, you can just see the line graph and you can see the x-axis and the y-axis, and you can come to know the values of so many things. So this we are going to do by studying the growth of a plant. So children, let us start doing it now.
Growth chart of a plant. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew to 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. After that, it started growing faster. Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days and put a dot on the chart. For example, if you look at the dot marked on the 4th day, you can see on the left side scale, it is 1.4 centimeter high. Now look at the height of each dot in centimeter and check from the table if he has marked the dots correctly. Okay, children, this is the table which we have to see, and we have to see whether Amit has marked the dots according to this table. On the first day, which we are taking as the 0th day, when he sowed the seeds, the length of the plant in centimeter was 0. Now after 4 days, the length of the plant was 1.4 centimeter. So the growth from 0 to 4th day was 1.4 centimeter. On the 8th day, the length was 5.3 centimeter. Now from the 4th to 8th day, if we want to find out the length, we will have to subtract 1.4 from 5.3, because 5.3 is the length on 8th day and 1.4 is the length on 4th day. Now again we will borrow from 5. This becomes 4 and this becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. This point will come here. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the growth of the plant from 4th to 8th day is 3.9 centimeter. Okay, on the 12th day, the plant was 9.5 centimeter tall. Now, if we want to find out how much its length increased from 8th to 12th day, we will have to subtract 5.3 from 9.5. Okay, let us do this and see. 5 minus 3 is 2, decimal 9 minus 5 is 4. So, from 8th to 12th day, the increase in height is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, on the 16th day, the height of the plant was 10.2 centimeter. Now, if we want to find out the increase in height from the 12th to the 16th day, we will again have to subtract 9.5 from 10.2. Okay, let us do that. 9.5. Now again we have to borrow. This will become 9 and this will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7.9 minus 9 is 0. So the increase in height is 0.7 centimeter. On 20th day, the height of the plant was 10.9 centimeter. Again, if we want to find the difference of height of the plant on 16th and 20th day, we will again have to subtract these two values. So 10.9 minus 10.2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So again the increase in height is 0.7 centimeter. So children, let us look at the line graph which Amit has drawn. So this is the graph, and the horizontal line, this line is x-axis. The vertical line, this one, is the y-axis. Since he is studying length of the plant as the days are passing by, so he has plotted length of the plant on y-axis. Now he is noting down the length of the plant after every 4 days. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the number of days which are increasing gradually, which he has plotted on x-axis. He wants to study the height of the plant or the growth in the height of the plant on these days. Now children, you can see that on the 4th day, the height of the plant was 1.4 centimeters. So you see, this is the 4th day, and if you will draw it with the help of a scale, you will see that the height of the plant is 1.4 centimeter. Now on 8th day, this is the 8th day. So you move like this. I am not using a scale, children. I am drawing the line freehand on the screen. So my line is not very straight, it is little crooked, but you draw it with the scale. Now let us see what is the height of the plant on the 8th day. So if we draw it here, if you will draw it with the help of scale, you will see that on the 8th day, the height of the plant is 5.3 centimeter. On the 12th day, this is the 12th day, the height of the plant, you can see it is almost in the center. The height of the plant on the 12th day is 9.5 centimeter. And on 16th day, this is the 16th day, the height of the plant is slightly more than 10. It is 10.2 centimeter. So this is 10.2 centimeter. On 20th day, this is the 20th day, and here is our point. You can see it is very close to 11. On the 20th day, the height of the plant, if you will draw a line with the help of scale, you will see it is 10.9 centimeter. So he has plotted all these points correctly and he has made no mistakes in plotting these points. Now let us attempt these questions. Find out from the growth chart. A. Between which days did the length of the plant change the most? Now children, if you will see the growth chart which we have drawn, between 8 to 12 days, the plant grew 4.2 centimeter. So this one is the correct answer. This is the maximum increase in the length of the plant. So between 8 to 12 days, the plant grew in length by 4.2 centimeter. So this is the correct option. Question number B. What could be the length of this plant on the 14th day? Guess. Okay, children. 14th day. Okay, so I will show you the graph again. This is 12th day and this is 16th day. Now this is 13th day and this one is 14th day. We have to guess the growth of the plant on 14th day. For doing this, what we are going to do, we are going to join these dots with free hand. See, I am joining the dots with free hand to make a curve. Why a curve? Because the height is increasing slightly every day. Now this is the 14th day. We will draw a line over here and let us see where the line is joining the graph. It has joined somewhere here. So let us draw another line parallel to x-axis. Now children, this point is almost 9.9 centimeter. Okay, let us see whether what all options do we have. So here we have the option of 9.9 centimeter. So this one is the correct option. Now question number C. Will the plant keep growing all the time? Okay, children, this is a plant of a dal. So it cannot become a tree. So it will not keep growing all the time. Naturally, after some time, it will stop growing. So no, the plant will not grow all the time. What will be its length on the 100th day? Make a guess. So children, this plant may grow only up till 17 centimeter or 18 centimeters, somewhere around 17 to 18 centimeter. So even on the 100th day, it will not grow beyond 17 to 18 centimeter. So this is our guess, which is quite realistic. I'm sure you must have studied in EVS that all the plants on which these dals grow, they are shrubs, they are not trees. So it will not grow beyond 17 to 18 centimeter. So children, this is how we are supposed to study the line graph. I hope you would have understood it. And now whenever you come across line graph, this is how you have to find out the values of different things by seeing the value on x-axis and similarly by seeing its corresponding value on the y-axis by drawing horizontal and vertical lines the way we did it on the graph. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.